This for these niggas, man. Y'all niggas hear my shit, y'all start hating, man. Going off on y'all niggas. It's for them niggas that get to hating when I get to rapping. Look, yo, I'ma start with we the best. 2 shots, no ref. I tell a faggot to his face, my team up next. You better act like you know before I snatch up Ace. Put a shotty to his face, have him missing, okay? Get slayed, touchdown to my city. Rock Jigga to Diddy. Youngin' got 12 kids, youngin' show no pity. Watch for the boys in blue, who are you? Officer Ricky? Listen, officer, I take shots and them frames ain't pretty. Gunshots to harpoons out of Rob Free Willie. A nigga keep spitting, keep going. Off of the top, this motherfucker keep going in. And this nigga gon' win. Every time you pretend that he not, but the nigga gon' shine. Come out the greatest, fucking never faking. Took it straight off the top, nigga, I'ma make it. True ass nigga spitting all this real crack. Nigga better grab that and bring that shit back before I blast him. Fuck that, nigga can't see me. Even when I'm sleeping, they call the youngin' Stevie, cause I stay high. Fuck that supply. Live or you die, nigga. Choke by the line.